Home restoration, reviving the charm of your space. Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of home restoration. This process is all about bringing an old or damaged property back to life, making it both beautiful and functional. If you're interested in the magic of transforming spaces, you're in the right place. Home restoration is a journey that involves repairing, renovating, and preserving a house's original features. It's not just about making a space look good. It's about respecting its history and architecture. From fixing a crack in the wall to restoring a century-old staircase, every step contributes to reviving the house's original charm. It's essential to distinguish between restoration, renovation, and remodeling. Restoration focuses on preserving and repairing existing structures, aiming to return a property to its original condition. Renovation involves updating and renewing parts of the home, which can include painting, installing new fixtures, or upgrading systems. Remodeling. This is about changing the structure or layout of the space, like removing walls or adding new rooms. Understanding these differences helps in planning your project and communicating your vision to professionals. Embarking on a home restoration project can be daunting, but breaking it down into steps makes it manageable. 1. Assessment. Evaluate the property's condition and identify areas that need work. 2. Planning. Decide on the extent of the restoration and whether you'll need professional help. 3. Restoration work. This is where the actual work begins, from structural repairs to aesthetic touches. 4. Final touches. Adding personal elements to make the space truly yours. To ensure your home restoration is a success, consider these tips. Research. Understand the history and architecture of your home. Budget wisely. Restoration can be expensive, so plan your finances carefully. Hire professionals. For complex tasks, it's best to hire experienced professionals. Preserve original features. Where possible, preserve the unique elements that give your home character. Home restoration is a rewarding journey that brings history and character back to life. Whether you're fixing up a family heirloom or breathing new life into a neglected property, the process is a labor of love. We hope this video inspires you to embark on your own restoration adventure. Remember, every brushstroke and hammer swing brings you closer to reviving the charm of your space. Happy restoring!